but somehow never for me. No one said I wasn't welcome, yet everybody seemed to expect me.
আমরা দশরূপক সাংস্কৃতিক সংস্থার পক্ষ থেকে আমরা চাই যে যত বেশি করে নতুনরা নাটকের দিকে এগিয়ে আসে, এই কাজটা আমরা করে যাচ্ছিলাম। এবার আমরা সেই লক্ষ্যেই একটা থিয়েটার ওয়ার্কশপের আয়োজন করেছি, যা গত 15 দিন ধরে চলছে। এবং সেই সেই যে আমাদের যে ওয়ার্কশপ হচ্ছে, তার নাম হচ্ছে গিয়ে অন্বেষণ 2026। এই 29 তারিখে সোমবার সন্ধ্যা 6টায় গান্ধী ভবনে তাদের সেই প্রোডাকশনটা এখানে উপস্থিত করবে। সেই প্রোডাকশনের নাম হচ্ছে গিয়ে বিফোর উই ফল। কিন্তু তার সঙ্গে আরও আমাদের দশরূপকের দুটো ছোট প্রযোজনা এখানে আমরা মঞ্চস্থ করব। একটা হচ্ছে ওয়েটিং ফর দ্য গড, যার ছোট সংস্করণ, একটা অংশ বিশেষ অভিনয় হবে। আর হচ্ছে গিয়ে ভেলা নামের আরেকটি নাটক।
Hi, Namaskar. My name is Sojan Rosamasam. I am coming from Kerala. Here I came for a workshop, a production-oriented workshop organized by the Shiruba Cultural Organization. So this is a 15 days production workshop now going to be end of a final performance. In this workshop, we work on like Augusto Ball's theater of operas and different theater technique, methods, theater games, activities, and basics of acting, techniques of acting, about design, and different way we share the storytelling and all. I'm a theater artist, like I am working on more than 10 years, and I graduated masters from theater, and like I am working in all over India. Also, mostly I am working in Kerala. I am a member of a puppetry group, Cognizance, and another I am a member of Street Theatre Group, and also mainly I am a core member of Ala Culture Center working in Molandurthi. It's an alternative education space, and also we are focusing on the different methods and the contemporary approach on theatre. Mostly I work on the multimedia theatre and device theatre. Here is also what we are going to make, what we are going to perform. Like, you know, we are going to perform on 29 in the Gandhi Bhavan Auditorium, 6 p.m. So this performance is a device process. We collectively created a performance about the oppression, what we are facing, and what are the oppression in our society, and what is the reason about that, and fully going through the different techniques of Augusto Ball's foreign theatre, newspaper theatre, invisible theatre, and all by all the discussion and shared journey. So I am inviting all for watching, witnessing the performance, and I am very excited and happy to be here. Like this is the first time I am coming into the north side, and this is for this workshop. So I am hoping soon, like I can see you all, and you will be all witness this performance.